Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com.
Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice to give it a much more bassier feel, a much more professional feel. If you are someone who is not confident about their voice, you can actually enhance your voice to someone who sounds or works in a professional audio recording studio. So for that we have to visit 11labs.io and then we have to select voice changer. Just to let you know, I'm going to send the link in the description box. Visit the link and then check the website, so you are going to get a free 50% discount for the first sign up. So we are in voice changer already and you can see it is asking to click to upload or drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop an audio file that I already have from before. So this is the bad audio file that I'm going to drag here. So before we generate the speech, let me show you how bad it sound, or let me show you the raw file. Let's listen for 10 seconds. Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix very bad audio using a free way online. So as you can hear that there is a lot of background noise, there is a lot of imbalance in the audio. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fix this. So in the voice library you can choose any voice. In this case I am choosing Bill. It has a narration feature, American, trustworthy. So let's select Bill. And stability I'm going to keep it to 50%. Similarity I'm going to keep it to 50% as well. Now style exaggeration, many prefer 0, but I'm going to put it to 25%. And then I'm going to remove background noise and I'm going to use speaker boost. So these settings I found to give the best output. So if you are someone who speaks a different language, then use 11 multilingual V2. So let's select English because we are speaking in English, and then now let's click on generate speech. This is really fast. It doesn't take much time. It takes somewhere around 10 to 12 seconds.
Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix very bad audio using a free way online.
So as you can listen that the quality in audio is immense. The fan noise from the fan, even my accent sounds a bit more professional. So you can click here and download the audio and then you're ready to go. So for anyone who is a bit insecure of their audio or of their voice, you can definitely use this website, and this website is, I would suggest, one of the best, if not the best in the world right now, even for text to speech, sound effects and many more. So if this video helped in any way, don't forget to hit the like button. Do let me know in the comments if you need any more videos related to audio, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.